I'm a proud member of the Inbox Zero Club, but that wasn't always the case. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I manage my inbox and achieve Inbox Zero every day. Several years ago I made a video all about how I manage my inbox. That video is now well out of date. I've been using the system I'm about to show you for the last couple of years, and I've got to say, it's perfection. This is a really simple system, but you need to get it right. I've also provided a link in the video description for you to get a PDF of the inbox setup process if you would like that. The first thing you need to know is that I have 3 categories of emails. There's response required, FYI, and pending. They're pretty self-explanatory. Emails categorized as response required require a response. FYI emails are for things that I need to read but I don't need to respond to. And pending is for emails that need a response or need you to take action, but you can't right now for some reason. Maybe you need to do something before you can reply. As soon as I open my inbox, I categorize every email into one of 3 categories. In order to do this, I have multiple inboxes set up within my inbox. This feature is specific to Gmail, at least at the time of recording this video. If anyone from Microsoft ever sees this, I am begging you to implement this feature for Outlook, please. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I set up multiple inboxes. You're going to go to Settings, then Inbox Type, and select Multiple Inboxes and Customize. You're then going to click on General and scroll to Stars. Choose the symbols you want to use. We're going to use a yellow star, blue info, and yellow bang. If you hover over the symbol, it will give you a description of that symbol, and this is really important for the next step. You can see when I hover over this one, the description is yellow -bang. Remember this as we move on to the next step. You're now going to click on Inbox, and you're going to set up your multiple inbox sections. You need to be precise with the information that goes in here. If it's not correct, it won't work. In section 1, you're going to type has: yellow -star, and make sure there are no spaces. In the section name, type response required. In section 2, type has: blue -info. In the section name, type FYI. And in section 3, type has: yellow -bang. You can call that section pending. Now when you go to your inbox, you'll see it looks like this. You have your main inbox here on the left, and you have 3 other inboxes, response required, FYI, and pending, on the right. Your next step is to categorize all of your emails. Decide whether the email is something that requires a response, is simply FYI, or if it's pending. Remember, pending means you need to take action on the email, but you can't yet for some reason. An example of an email that I would put here is an email from my accountant asking for a tax code, but I need to wait for a letter with the tax code on it before I can reply. So I'm selecting the appropriate symbol for each email. This one requires a response. So does this one. This one is FYI. This one is pending, and so on. I'm then going to select all and click Archive. Refresh, and you'll now see all of your emails are categorized. Once I've replied to an email, I remove the star and it's automatically archived. You'll notice I don't delete, I archive. This means everything remains searchable and easy to find if I ever want to look anything up. This system changed my life and makes it incredibly easy to achieve inbox zero every day. I can see what needs a reply, I can go through the FYI emails when I'm ready and they're not making my inbox look more daunting than it actually is. And I can easily see what I need to chase by looking at the emails sitting in pending. You want to schedule time to clear out FYI and pending regularly so they don't pile up. I clear anything that requires a response pretty much every day. If you have any questions about this, the best place to ask them is in our private Facebook group. It's the kindest, most supportive community of talented assistants you'll ever find. The group really is amazing and super active and helpful. There's a link in the video description. And if you want more EA How-To goodness, become a member of EA How-To Plus. It's EA How-To on steroids. You'll get access to replays of amazing EA How-To webinars, as well as an invitation to our small group coaching sessions, exclusive resources and templates, and a free copy of the Assistant's Business Binder A to Z template, and a free copy of the Ultimate Guide to ChatGPT prompts for executive assistants. You'll also get big discounts on other resources. You can find out more via eahowto.com. Bye for now.